Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, scroll from the top to open the quick settings. Click and hold on the Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. Now next to your Wi-Fi, click this gear icon, then disconnect and forget. Now disable the Wi-Fi, wait a couple of seconds and enable it again. After all your Wi-Fis has loaded, click on one that you want to connect with and type in the password once again. And it should work. If it's not working for you, then you need to restart your device and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.